Um, this is practical 2.6. It's about voltage in series circuits. What I've done is I've set up a circuit in this program here, simulation program, the PhET program, and I've put in a battery or a cell and connected to wires, and there's two lamps in series, and as you can see the current is flowing out of the negative of the battery through the lamps and back to the positive of the battery. Now we're asked to look at the voltage that's flowing in the circuit. But before I do that, a little tricky thing here is to adjust the voltage of the battery. Just click on it and you can change the voltage to 12 volts. And what I had to do is also had to change the resistance of the lights to 12 ohms each, and that gave me a current flowing up around about half an amp when you measure it, which is enough to see the light come on. Now you can choose the other symbols if you want to, or the circuit symbols, or the actual pictures. I've got it on pictures at the moment. Now if I want to measure the voltage drop in the circuit, I have to use a voltmeter. But you see, I don't need to have this before. I can just set up the circuit first, then I'm going to add the voltmeter. So if I measure the voltage, say across the battery, I just drag these probes and just put them in there like that, I can see that the battery adds 12 volts to the electrons. So it's 12 volts driving the circuit. And we can see that across the lamps here, each one is 6 volts. If I go across both of them, it will be 12 volts. So that means that the 12 volts provided by the battery is used by both the lamps. But if I put it across one lamp, it's 6 volts. So 6 volts each.